today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your GoDaddy website on Google. Let's dive in and make sure your site is visible to all those potential visitors. First, it's crucial to remember the importance of having a website that's well optimized for search engines. This will not only help your site appear on Google but also improve its ranking. On GoDaddy, you want to start by ensuring your website is live and fully functional. Check that your domain is connected properly to your hosting. This is essential because a site with broken links or missing pages is less likely to be crawled favorably by Google's bots. Once you have confirmed your website is live, make sure that you're using a clean and organized website structure. Consistent navigation and a logical hierarchy help search engines easily index your site. Now, let's focus on quality content. Ensure your site has clear, relevant, and engaging content. Make use of keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. But remember, don't overstuff keywords. Use them naturally within your content, as this maintains the quality and readability of your site, which is crucial for both users and search engines. Next, let's verify your site with Google Search Console. This step is vital as it helps Google understand how to crawl your website. To begin, navigate to Google Search Console and click on Start Now. Choose Add Property and enter your website's URL. You'll be prompted to verify ownership. Select the HTML tag verification method and copy the meta tag provided. Now, head over to your GoDaddy website dashboard, open the Settings section, and paste the meta tag into the header. Once you've saved the changes, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. You'll receive confirmation that your site has been successfully verified. With verification complete, it's time to create and submit a sitemap. A sitemap is like a blueprint that guides Google's crawlers through your website. To create a sitemap on GoDaddy, you can either use a sitemap plugin or go to your website builder tools, where in most cases, there should be a built-in feature for generating a sitemap. Once generated, head back to Google Search Console, select the Sitemaps option, enter the URL of your sitemap, and click Submit. This will assist Google in understanding the structure and breadth of your website. Lastly, ensure your website is mobile-friendly. With a substantial portion of Internet users browsing from mobile devices, Google prioritizes mobile responsive sites. Use tools like Google's mobile-friendly test to check your website's adaptability. And there you have it. You now know the essential steps to get your GoDaddy website onto Google. Make the most of these insights to enhance your online presence and visibility. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on boosting your website's performance.